solve the differential equation d square y by dx square minus 7 dy by dx plus 6y equals to e power 2x into 1 plus x. Already I discussed e power ax into v of x form. This is e power ax into v of x form. Means suppose if you observed RHS side e power ax into v of x form, then you have to write e power ax outside of the integral, outside of the particular integral. That is different issue. Again, to solve the differential equation, you have to consider auxiliary equation, and from that auxiliary equation we will calculate the complementary function, and another one particular integral. We will calculate the particular integral and we will combine, then automatically it becomes general solution of the given differential equation. Now it is in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x, where f of d equal to d square minus 7d plus 6 and q of x equal to e power 2x into 1 plus x. Observe this one, this q of x, and I am underlining here, this is e power 2x into 1 plus x, e power ax into, it is in the form of e power ax into v of x form. Now I am taking directly auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is nothing but in many problems we have done it. Replace d by m, means in place of capital D we are taking small m. M square minus 7m plus 6 equal to 0. Then this can split the middle term. Then factors m minus 1 into m minus 6 equal to 0, m equal to 1 comma 6. These are the roots of the auxiliary equation. Then according to these roots we can construct a complementary function yc equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 6x. This is my complementary function. Then after that you calculate particular integral. After finding particular integral you combine with this. Then automatically it becomes general solution of the given differential equation. Now the general form of the general formula or general form of the particular integral yp equals to 1 by f of d into q of x. Now I am substituting f of d and q of x values here. 1 by d square minus 7d plus 6 into e power 2x into 1 plus x. Then I want to write e power 2x is outside of this particular integral 1 by f of d. If you want to write like that, then replace d by d plus 2. Means if the coefficient is a, then the general method is replace capital D by a. Right. Now I am writing e power 2x outside, then you have to replace d by d plus 2. Wherever d is there, simply you write d plus 2. 1 by d plus 2 whole square minus 7d plus 2 plus 6. The into 1 plus x. Already I wrote here e plus 2x is outside of this integral. Then you solve this denominator part. 1 by d plus 2 whole square means d square plus 4d plus 2 plus 4. It is by using a plus b whole square formula minus 7d minus 14 plus 6. Then e power 2x into plus 4d minus 7d minus 3d, d square minus 3d. Then 4 plus 6 10, 10 minus 14 is minus 4. Then e power 2x into 1 by d square minus 3d minus 4. Then 1 plus x can, instead of 1 I am writing here e power 0x. Again split that one, 1 plus 1 by d square minus 3d minus 4 into x. Now observe this one, this is 1 can be written as I am writing here e power 0x, e power 0x is nothing but 1 only. Now we have, because 1 we have separate particular, we don't have the method to solve the particular integral. That's why instead of constant you should take for every problem e power 0x. Suppose if you observed 100 into e power 0x. Suppose if it is 25 into e power 0x, like that. Plus 1 by d square minus 3d minus 4 into x. Then first problem, e power ax method. Already I explained the particular integral. If e power ax appears, then the coefficient of x is 0 here. Wherever d is there, simply you write 0. 1 by 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 minus 1 by 4 means minus e power 2x into minus 1 by 4 plus e power 2x, I am multiplying with e power 2x, e power 2x into minus 1 by 4, I am taking minus 4 is common, that's why you convert it should be in the form of, if it is x appears, you have to convert in the form of 1 plus x whole inverse or 1 minus x whole inverse. Then 1 by d square minus 3d minus 4, from this part I am taking minus 4 common, minus 1 by 4 into d square minus 3d, 1 minus 3 d square minus 3d by 4 whole inverse into x. E minus e power 2x by 4 minus e power 2x by 4 into, then this is 1 minus x whole inverse means 1 plus x square, the power of x is 1, then you have to expand up to power of d is 1, means 1 plus power of x is 1, that's why we have to expand the up to only x term. 1 plus d square minus 3d by 4 into x minus e power 2x by 4 minus e power minus 2x by 4 into 1 into x is x, d square of x is 0, d of x is 1 minus 3 by 4. Therefore, particular integral minus e power 2x by 4 is common, 1 plus x minus 3 by 4. Y equal to yc plus yp. Yc plus yp, y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 6x minus e power 2x by 4 into 1 plus x plus minus 3 by 4. This is particular integral.